Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a harvesting video done by my daughter. Her name is Lahitya. So she loved to do harvesting and she's more interested in gardening as well. My son also he is interested in gardening, but the harvesting thing, my daughter she loves it. Look at the happiness. So this is one day before she was picking some of the tomatoes, and I'll show you the other harvesting as well. The next day she did some more harvesting. In this way, we always encourage our kids to do more gardening activities. So you can encourage your kids as well by doing more of harvesting and growing in your garden. So encourage your kids to do these type of activities to avoid more from TV and cell phones. This video was taken actually 3 weeks before. Now all the corn season are finished. So in Melbourne, the corn will go really well, and you can easily find corn seeds in all shopping center. And also you can just buy the corn kernels, the dried one, and that one also will grow. So it's only $2 to $3 a kilo. So you can buy the
Wait,
seeds from Bunnings or Reject Shop or even supermarkets.
இதுவும் பண்ணிப்பார்
So if you love corn, you can grow more varieties. There are more multiple
போதும்
colors of corns as well is also available. So try to grow more corn if you love it. And we started to pick some fig, but that fig was eaten by bird, and then we just left it for the bird itself to eat. I don't know how these birds are trying to find if it is little bit start to ripe, and it's always coming and picking them off. That's a natural
சரி நீ
beauty.
சில்லி கட் பண்ணு
Now we are going to pick some chilies. I have more varieties of chilies in my garden. I The tip for these plants, I don't do trimming or I don't do any sort of care to this chilies. Actually, it automatically grows on its own. So the only tip that I follow, if you see any the chilies turned into red color, you have to remove it
Yeah, that one
immediately. If you
particular
don't remove it,
uh,
the re- the growth of this plant
நீ
will be
கம்னரு
stopped, and also you will not get more chilies. So if the chilies are turning into red color,
இப்போ
you
நானே
have to take
படிக்கலாமா
them off immediately. So that's the one tip that I follow, and I don't do any pruning to this plant. So it will it's grows on its own, and also it will the leaves will fall off during winter and spring season, and then it will start to grow new leaves. So try to put the manure and then garden vegetable waste to these plants often. That's the only thing that I follow. As usual, I always use the rice water to these plants to give more healing. Look at the amount of chilies that we got. It's a huge amount. So this is the third time we are doing this chilies harvesting. Most
இதுக்கு
of the time I
எவ்வளோ
use my
சில்லி
own garden
கட்சி
chilies.
இதுக்கு எவ்வளோ மிளகா கட்சிச்சு பாருங்க நம்ம போய் உள்ளே போய் வெயிட் போட்டு பார்க்கலாம் எவ்வளோ மிளகா வந்திருக்குன்னு ஓகே இரு 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 இரு.
So I will weigh these chilies and then I'll show you how much I got it this time. So please leave some comments to encourage my kids to do more
தக்காளி
gardening. So
ஹார்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணு
leave some valuable comments in the comment section below so that my
ரெட்
daughter
ஒன்
will read these
ஆமாம்
comments and she will get motivated to do more gardening. So encourage them. So the next day, most of the tomatoes are ripe. and it
There's
looks
so
so good.
much.
And we tried to grow
Also
some
the orange
cherry
one.
tomatoes as
Mm.
This
well.
one.
Mm.
So if you like my harvesting, tell me if you like it and encourage your children to do gardening and for big.
So if you like her harvesting videos, please leave that in the comment section below, so she will motivated to do more harvesting
அப்படியே அந்த
videos.
ஹோல் பஞ்ச் பிக்
This
பண்ணு.
year I didn't get
Alright,
much of
all
ம்
done.
tomatoes.
ம்
Last year I got really huge amount. I don't know why this year it's not uh, yield much.
Should I take
But I
them
got
off now?
around
ம்
3 to 4 kilos of tomatoes, not more than that.
ம்
I used to
Is there
get
more?
lots,
அர
but
அர
this time the plant also not grown well. So maybe next year I will try more varieties of tomatoes as well. You can grow along with me, so I will post when I put my seedlings, and I will update that in my future videos definitely. So I'm going to start my winter vegetables soon. This week or next week I'm going to start it, so I will share that seedling videos when I start to sow
ம்
the seeds. I will update that in my channel so that you all can grow in Melbourne. If you are living in Melbourne, I will definitely share that video. Maybe this week or next week I will do that, and you all can grow along with me.
It's time to get heavy.
So look at the happiness in my
இருடா.
daughter's face. So that's a thing that I love.
So much.
She loves to do that. And this is my pomegranate tree. I got
Pomegranate.
nearly hundreds of flowers, but not even one turned into a fruit. It all of fallen off. I
Blueberries
don't
are
know the
better.
reason. If you
வரல
know the
சரி.
reason, and if you know anything to do to get more fruits, please leave that in the comment section below so that I will try that out. And if someone having the same issue, they can try that as well. So I'm here to pick some dahlias and some jasmine. So jasmine, this is not the time to get flowers, but I don't know, I got nearly 2 to 3 flowers every day. And dahlias also, the season is going to end, so the flower size is becomes too small now. um, During the season time, the flower size is really big, and also the color also is really dark. But end of the season you get the flowers in a smaller size, but also it looks
We
so beautiful.
harvest this from our backyard. I'll show you what we got. So we have green chili, we have blackish green chili, we have red chili, and we have 2 of this orange chili.
So we got nearly more than 700 grams of chili.
And then we have a light.
Mm.
Next, we have
Mm.
and now we have big tomato. And then we also have small tomato.
Mm.
And then the thing you've been waiting for, 3 corn.
Mm.
Make sure that you grow more things in your garden, keep on harvesting and keep on growing. Grow more, stay healthy. Bye.
Yeah, it's around 700 grams. So good.
English is the one that had a corn hair. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. We'll see you in another video. Bye.